So let me just take you over this street shortly so that we can see some of the decorations that are over here. Yeah, there's also something else here. This is a construction site, this this place is really clean. Yeah, there's nothing like cements that are split everywhere, and yeah, the place is really clean. Here it's how it's this is how it looks like. So there's a construction site here, and most of these guys work with a lot of protective clothes and a lot of machines at construction sites. Yeah. So this is how beautiful the city looks like, the street I mean. And from our normal streets, you can see that here there's not a lot. In Kenya, we normally have a lot of people in the streets, but here you can see the place is so spacious. People are not just congested everywhere. Yeah, that's one of the things that I've come to like about Germany. Yeah, this is a clothes Laden, a clothes shop. It's called New Yorker. Another one here called CNA. Yeah. Then here there's a street food that is being sold here. I think that is that's sausage here. Yeah, Christmas season. So let's also get in this shop. This is, I think this is a Christmas shop. I'm not sure about it. Maybe you can just check. Oh, alles gut. Yeah, but they said that they are closing, so unfortunately I have to go out. Yeah, so yeah, so let's keep walking. And right now the time is 7 p.m. By 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. It's usually very dark. It's usually so dark during the winter season. So right now we are having a winter season here.